off now and touch the sky. The TMax flies with the camera in hand, speaking languages across the land. From mountain peaks to oceans wide, a drone pilot's view with every side. Subscribe to the TMax and see the world. Stories unfold, adventures unfurled. Hit that button and share the thrill. The TMax journey is also real. just a line in the sand. The skies are calling and the road feels right. Chasing the sun till it dips out of sight. Around I go where the stories unfold. Trading gold for memories worth more than gold. 1,000 tongues to learn, 1,000 smiles to see. Every mile I travel sets my spirit free. Around the world I go where the stories unfold. Trading gold for memories worth more than gold. 1,000 tongues to learn, 1,000 smiles to see. Every mile I travel sets my spirit free. To the mountain peaks. In every face there's a language that speaks. The food is fire, the laughter's the spark, lighting up the nights that were born in the dark. Around the world I go where the stories unfold. Trading gold for memories worth more than gold. 1,000 tongues to learn, 1,000 smiles to see. Every mile I travel sets my spirit free. Around the world I go where the stories unfold. Trading gold for memories worth more than gold. 1,000 tongues to learn, 1,000 smiles to see. Every mile I travel sets my spirit free. It's not the money, it's the moments we share. The spices in the air and the strangers who care. I find myself in every place I explore. Every door I open leads to 1,000 more. In every city there's a rhythm I find, a beat that matches the heart in my mind. Cultures collide but the harmony stays, dancing through life in these magical ways.
Sharing, comment to be the star of this digital crew. Every click you make sets the vibe. Welcome aboard to the viral tribe. Scroll no further, hit that bell. Join the party where we excel. Don't just watch, be a part. This is how the magic starts. Subscribe, like, sharing, comment to be the star of this digital crew. Every click you make sets the vibe. Welcome aboard to the viral tribe. One click closer to the dream, building castles in the stream. Every like's a step we climb. Together we'll outlast. Touch the sky, like, share and comment. Share this digital crew. Every click you make sets the vibe. Welcome aboard to the viral tribe.
The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page.
A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving.
A journey is best measured in friends rather than miles.
Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost. Not all those who wander are lost.
Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness.
traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving.
To travel is to discover that everyone is wrong about other countries.
We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. Not all those who wander are lost. 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 Fly high over oceans and stone. TMax captures the world on his own. Stories of travel, of culture, of pride through his lens. The world opens wide.
If you're smiling while you're here tonight, let your fingers do the dance, take flight. Hit that button, make it shine so bright. Show some love, make it feel just right.
Like it up, let the world know you're near. Leave a word, let your voice appear. Subscribe to the vibe, stay right here. This is your moment, crystal clear.
Scrolling through, but don't just pass by. Tap the heart, let the numbers fly. Drop a line, don't be shy. Let your words light up the sky.
Like it up, let the world know you're near. Leave a word, let your voice appear. Subscribe to the vibe, stay right here. This is your moment, crystal clear. Every tap, every click, it's a spark. A little love that lights the dark. Join the rhythm, leave your mark. Together we shine.